What's up you guys, welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a new copy of an array using a for loop. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and implement that. So the first thing we want to do, we want to create an array, of course, and let's name that array mo1, and let's set that equal to 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and create our second array, which we're going to store the values in, and let's name that array mo2. And whoa, where are you going? Come back here. And let's set that equal to new int 3. And what this line of code basically means, hey Java, we're creating a new array that will hold 3 elements in it, and specifically 3 integers. And just a tip for you guys, whenever you create an array that holds elements in it and you didn't specify what those elements are, by default, if it's an array of integers, these elements are going to be set as 0. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So let's go ahead and create our for loop. So to create a for loop, all you got to do is type in for I, and I mean, I just love this editor so much because it does almost everything for me, which is pretty nice. But I got to explain it to you guys. You specify the type and you set it equal to 0, and then this is the starting point and this is the ending point, and this is how much you're going to increment it by. So the ending point is going to be mo1 dot length, because we want it to start at 0, 1, 2, and stop. But I mean, we can instead of putting mo length, we can just put 3. But imagine if you have an array of, like, 10 elements or 20 elements, or you don't know the length of the array. So it's always a good programming habit to type in mo, which is mo1, which is the name of the array, in dot length. So this will get you the length of the array mo1, which is 3. And what we want to do is basically take mo2 of I and set that equal to mo1 of I. If you guys are saying, oh, is that English? It's not English. Let me just print it out for you guys so you can see it, and then I can explain it to you. Whoa, this keyboard just keeps typing stuff. I always blame it on the keyboard, where in reality it's actually me. But hey, life is good. So let's go ahead and type this up a little bit, and let's run this and see what happens. Dun, 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 dun. That actually took forever. Okay, so as you guys can see, 1, 2, and 3. So what it did is basically this. When this for loop started, I started at 0. So the 0th element in mo1 is 1. So take that and put it as the first element in mo2. And keep doing that again and again and again and again until you are done. So it basically took whatever is in mo1 and passed it in mo2 right here. And we just printed it out right here just for you guys to see what's going on. So the first time it passed in 1, the second time it passed in 2, and the third time it passed in 3. So this is your quick tutorial on how to create a new copy of an array using a for loop. I literally said that word for word, using a for loop. Alright, I don't know what's wrong. So guys, in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the debugger, which is something pretty damn important and pretty damn useful, because in the next couple tutorials you might want to use the debugger, because what if you ran into a code and you don't know what it does? So this is the best way to know exactly what a code does. So I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.